Welcome! This video is brought to you by the Writing Center at the UNF Library. Today's topic, Writing and Annotated Bibliography. If you watched the first video in this series, you now have a better understanding of what an annotated bibliography is and why it matters. But if you haven't, don't worry. We'll focus here on how to actually write one. Have you ever looked at a research paper assignment and wondered, how do I keep my sources organized? How do I know what to include in each entry? This video will walk you through it step by step. Creating an annotated bibliography is easier than it sounds. There are two main steps. The first step is organizing your annotated bibliography. Then, you write a clear annotation for each source. There are some parts of the annotated bibliography that are mandatory, such as a title page where your topic is listed and all your relevant student information. Another important thing to include are the annotations themselves, and you need to list your sources in alphabetical order by the author's last name, using the correct citation style required. Some elements might be optional, like the introduction or conclusion. You need to check the assignment guidelines to make sure you're including everything your instructor is asking for. Each annotation includes three key parts. First is a summary of the source. Second is an evaluation of its quality or credibility. And third, a reflection on how it fits into your research. Let's break each of those down. The first part, as we already mentioned, is the summary. The summary describes the main ideas or arguments of the source. This is where you focus on identifying the main information from a source that you want to summarize. The best practice is to keep it concise, objective, and focused on what parts of the source are relevant for your paper. The next section is the evaluation section, and here we assess the source's reliability, authority, and usefulness. You can ask yourself questions here, such as, is the source up to date? Is the author an expert? Is it relevant to my topic? The third section is the reflection, and it connects the source to your research. Consider how you might use it. Does the source support your argument? Does it offer background information? Does it challenge your views? Now that we've looked at what each section is, let's take a closer look at it through an example. As we highlight each part, try to notice how the writer summarizes, evaluates, and reflects on the source. Before writing the annotation, you'll need to include a full reference for each source. This goes at the top of your entry. Make sure it's formatted correctly in the citation style your instructor requires, whether it's APA, MLA, or any other style. The first thing we need to find in the annotation is the summary. This is where the source is described. Look for what the author says and what the book is about. In this case, it's the opening two sentences that describe the content and main focus of Smith's book. Next, find the evaluation. This is where the source is assessed. Look for comments on the author's credibility, usefulness, or limitations. In this annotation, this part includes both strengths and weaknesses of the book. Finally, find the reflection. This connects the source to the writer's research. Ask, how will they use it? Why does it matter? In this annotation, the final sentences show how the source will shape their own work. Let's recap. An annotated bibliography helps you evaluate and organize your sources. Always follow assignment guidelines for your annotated bibliography structure. Keep in mind that each annotation needs to include a summary, evaluation, and reflection. And finally, remember, an annotated bibliography is a valuable step in the research and writing process. Thank you for watching. For more info, check out our annotated bibliography guide by scanning the QR code. You can also book a one-on-one session with a writing advisor here. Visit the library website to learn more about the services the Writing Center offers, or email the Writing Center for support if you have any additional questions.